ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. So it has two values. X has two values. They are called roots. Let alpha comma beta be the roots. Next, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. A is not equal to 0 is called a cubic equation. Cubic equation. There is the highest power is 3. So it is called a cubic equation. It has three roots. Let it be alpha, beta and gamma. Next, ax power 4 plus bx cube ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus c equal to 0 and a value not equal to 0 is called a biquadratic equation. So it has four roots. Let alpha, beta, gamma and delta are the roots of this equation. Next, in this equation A, B, C are called a coefficients. Alpha, comma, beta be the roots. So the relation between coefficients and roots, already you know that sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. In this chapter, this alpha plus beta is denoted by small s1. Next, product of the roots alpha into beta equal to plus c by a. This is denoted by small s2. So these two are the relation between coefficients ABC and roots alpha and beta. So relation between coefficients and roots are alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha into beta equal to c by a. Next, the relation between coefficients A, B, C, D, they are the coefficients. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. This is denoted by S1. Next, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. Sum of the product of roots taken at a time. Sum of product of the two roots taken at a time. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to plus C by A. That is denoted by small s2. Next, product of the three roots alpha into beta into gamma equal to minus D by A. This is denoted by small s3. Remember, listen again. S1 means sum of the roots taken one at a time. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma. S2 means sum of the product of the two roots taken at a time. That is alpha beta, beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to plus C by A. S3 means product of the three roots alpha into beta into gamma minus D by A. So S1 minus B by A, S2 plus C by A, S3 minus D by A. Alternatively, we take the plus minus alternatively. Next, this is the biquadratic equation. Ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. So there is a power is 4. So it has a 4 roots. Let it be alpha, beta, gamma and delta. S1 sum of the roots taken one at a time. That means alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to minus B by A. S2 sum of the product of the two roots, sum of the product of the two roots taken at a time. We have the 4 roots alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Listen carefully. Taken 2 at a time. Alpha, beta, alpha, gamma, alpha, delta. Next, start from beta, beta, gamma, beta, delta. Start from gamma, gamma, delta. So there are 6 pairs. First one is alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta. Start with beta, beta gamma, beta delta. Next, start with gamma, gamma delta equal to plus C by A. Next, S3 sum of the product of the three roots, sum of the product of the three roots taken at a time. We have 4 roots alpha, beta, gamma and delta taken 3 at a time. First one start with alpha. Alpha, beta, gamma. First set. Second set. Alpha, beta, gamma. That is the second set. Start with the beta. Beta, gamma, delta. That is the third set. Start with gamma. Gamma, gamma, delta and alpha. First set. Alpha, beta, gamma. Second set. Alpha, beta, delta. Third set. Start from beta. Beta, gamma, delta. Fourth set. Start with gamma. Gamma, delta, alpha. So S3. Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, delta. Start with beta plus beta, gamma, delta. Start with gamma. Gamma, delta, alpha equal to minus d by A. Next, S4. Product of the four roots. Alpha into beta into gamma into delta plus E by A. So these are the relation between roots and coefficients of the equation. Again, this is the biquadratic equation. It has four roots. Let it be alpha, beta, gamma and delta. S1 means sum of the roots taken one at a time. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta minus b by a. S2 sum of the product of the two roots taken at a time. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Taken two. Start with alpha. Alpha, beta. Alpha, gamma. Alpha, delta. They are the first three pairs. Next, start with beta. Beta, gamma, beta, delta. That is the next two pairs. Next, start with gamma. Gamma, delta is the last one. So, S2 alpha, beta plus alpha, gamma plus alpha, delta plus beta, gamma plus beta, delta plus gamma, delta. That is plus C by A. S3 sum of the product of the three roots taken at a time. First set alpha, beta, gamma. Second set alpha, beta, delta. Start with beta. Beta, gamma, delta. Start with gamma. Gamma, delta and this alpha. So S1 value minus b by a, S2 value plus c by a, S3 value minus d by a, S4 value plus e by a. Already we know the formula quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. We know the formula. that is x square plus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is this one.